Breaking news coming in. Terrorist Tahawur Hussain Rana has been hauled into India. That special Gulfstream aircraft that flew him to India has landed at the Palam technical area. So after 17 long years, that terrorist is finally in India. Tahawur Hussain Rana is a key plotter of 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks. We are told the National Investigation Agency's legal team has also reached the NIA Special Court. Tahawur Hussain Rana is to face trial in the NIA court in India. The NIA has confirmed Rana's extradition is successful. NIA has said a team of the Ministry of External Affairs, the Ministry of Home Affairs and the National Security Guard coordinated his extradition. And I'll get you all details on this big story. Tahawur Hussain Rana is the biggest fish caught so far when it comes to 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks to be brought to India to face trial. Remember those 10 Pakistani terrorists, 9 were killed by our brave security forces personnel. They made the supreme sacrifice of their lives and very brave them. And there, the images that you see on your television screen, that is the NIA team that is in the court. You have the NIA team. You will also have a legal team that will defend Tahawur Hussain Rana, because Indian judicial system is completely transparent, unbiased, which you shall see. Even a Pakistani terrorist like Ajmal Amir Kassab was given a fair trial and a hearing. So will the Pakistani terrorist Tahawur Hussain Rana. US court, the battle now shifts to courts of law in India. In the United States of America, Tahawur Hussain Rana, right from the district court all the way up to the Supreme Court of the United States of America, had tried every trick in the trade to avoid being extradited to India. And in the end, he used the Muslim card. He said he's a Muslim, he's of Pakistani origin, he's ex-Pakistan Army captain. So if he's sent to India, it's akin to signing his death warrant. The Chief Justice in the United States said nothing to him. The evidence against him is so strong that he was extradited to India following the India-US extradition treaty, relentlessly pursued by government of India and the government of the United States of America. Now he's been brought to India. He will face trial in the special NIA court in Delhi. And this trial, the world will watch, because in public domain, it's not some secret trial. It's not in some barracks. It's not some military trial like in a Pakistani court. In India, it's a civil court. The special NIA court will try him. All evidence will be put out in public domain. All evidence will be there in court. Of course, at a suitable time, because keeping national security in mind and not to compromise sources, some bits of information may not come out in public domain, at least initially. But former Home Secretary of India, G.K. Pillai, just a short while back, he went on record to say India has enough evidence to convict him, that's for sure. Probably he will also get the death sentence.